first sight.
Yeah. You believe in first sight.
Kind of, ya.
Okay.
Aku suka kayak development seperti itu daripada yang kayak agak maksa. You know, I quite like stuff that comes in and you're like, oh, I didn't know that I was gonna feel like this with you. You know, all my relationship has always been like that. It's always
Jadi
been
yang
like,
sebelumnya kamu tuh kenal dulu,
Yeah.
kamu main bareng dulu.
main bareng. Biasanya kayak ada 5 bulan 6 bulan of interval.
Proses.
Kenalan and then abis itu
Lama
baru-
ya, lama ya.
Yeah. I cannot really. It's hard. Yeah. It's just and
Tapi
I'm too
sekarang
shy.
Yang deket, yang kira-kira kamu suka belum ada.
No, right now no. Right now I'm just
2 tahun loh, Maxim lama loh itu
Yeah,
nggak ada.
yeah,
Seorang
I know.
Maxim, public figure, good looking, masa sih nggak ada yang DM gitu kan? Sekarang gampang.
Ya
tinggal
ada no DM
tinggal
ada
WhatsApp.
beberapa ya. Ada beberapa but I'll whisper it to you.
Oke, dia
But-
nggak mau buka di sini.
Well, it's I feel bad for them.
Yeah,
But no, there was nothing though. Like I had one date
Yeah.
recently, and that was it though. That was like, oh man, like it's been a while gitu loh. Yang kayak on the date kayak how do you do this whole new social interaction with the mask and everything kayak ketemunya kayak is that you? You know, it's like you never meet the person and you have to see like can you take off your mask if it's you gitu.
Iya
loh.
sih emang sekarang susah ya.
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
You cannot just meet up to and I think it's a Jakarta thing as well, like yang nggak bisa kita kayak go up to someone you don't know gitu ya kayak hi kenalan, you know. Or maybe that's just me. Maybe I'm just too shy.
No, sih memang it's a different thing. Aku lihat kamu dari dulu nggak pernah berubah sampai hari ini. You dibilang reserve bukan reserve. Kamu tuh baik sekali, cuman emang sibuk dengan yourself. Kamu nggak mau pusing orang lain. That's
No,
Maxim,
yeah,
gitu
yeah.
kan.
Yeah, I have to know. I have to understand her if I really want to, because I will drop myself to heels for her. Aku akan benar-benar jatuh cinta. So I need to know if she's worth it. You know, I don't want to waste my time because that could happen.
Iya
Gitu.
sih. Any planning for you? Like you have a target nggak sih umur segini aku mau married atau no, I'm still young, I want to have my career, aku mau santai.
Yeah, my mom does. My mom is like, Maxim, kamu udah 28 loh nih. Kamu nggak mau kasih mama cucu? I'm like, you know what? Well, you know, my sister, she's been dating her boyfriend for 7 years now, so
Yeah.
maybe there, you know, aku bilang
Yeah.
itu. Ya, tapi kamu, you know, I go with the flow. I never really look for it, gitu sih aku bilang.
Oke, Max.
Ya.
Aku kan tahu lah, walaupun kita nggak bisa banyak ngomong di sini, you're having a good project
Yeah.
coming up ke depan gitu ya.
Yeah.
Yang kemarin kamu lagi syuting, yang
Yeah.
coming up sih,
Yeah.
wow.
Wow.
Kata saya satu, wow. Itu
Yeah.
apa? Ditunggu
It's
aja. Karena
incredible,
kita nggak
yeah.
boleh ngobrol di sini.
Yeah.
How you excited about that?
Wow, you have no
Ya,
idea.
pertamanya gini kan, kamu tahu kan yang casting banyak banget tuh.
Yeah.
Banyak banget.
I didn't even know, you know. The first time I was shooting too.
Yeah.
Aku baru aja lagi wardrobe change itu.
Yeah.
Mereka lagi wardrobe change and my manager's like, hey, you wanna do casting? I'm like, alright. So I thought it was just gonna be for like 1 scene, 2 scene. Casting pertama, okay. Casting kedua, and then you have this whole script, and then I'm like, oh, it's a whole character. Ada 50 scene, you know. That's when I started to get like anxious. I'm like, oh my god, can I do this? Can I do this? I'm like, and then I did get it, and I was flat. I was like, oh, okay.
Nah, kamu kan tahu kan pasti yang ikut casting banyak sekali.
Yeah.
Pasti denger lah, mungkin ini ikut dan all amazing actors
Yes.
yang ikut gitu kan.
Yeah.
Begitu kepilih kamu yang kepilih,
Yeah.
itu gimana?
I did that. That's why I was like, oh, okay. I called my manager. Kak, there's no way. I must be dreaming right now. Like, gak mungkin. It took me 3 days to process the news.
The truth ya.
Yeah. Cause I'm like, no way. You know. Sampai sekarang pun aku masih kayak, okay, I have to be more careful before the flight. You know, anything could happen. Ya kan?
Yeah.
Because it's still not reality. Tapi I've talked to the production a lot, and it's happening gitu loh, yang kayak benar-benar there's just no backing away gitu, benar-benar kayak that's the reality of it. And aku sih honored aja sih, benar-benar honored banget. Dan just the fact that I was casting with my fellow actors gitu, and to just get it, it's a big responsibility juga, you know, because I'm also like, this is for them gitu loh. Like, I'm not gonna waste this because I know you guys are like, one of them it's
Semua
like
orang
my
eager
hero.
mau itu kan,
Yeah.
itu kan.
Some of them are like my heroes, you know. Kayak aku god, you're like my hero. Setiap kali aku ketemu, I'm like, hey, you know. So yeah, it's an honor, and I don't want to let them down gitu sih.
Pasti.
Yeah.
Yang basically sih buat aku, I'm very proud of you
Yeah,
to see your
thank you.
journey dari awal kamu di MD
Yeah.
dengan yang ngomong bahasa Indonesia susah,
Susah,
gitu
yeah.
kan, sampai melihat sekarang dan ada 2 project ke depan yang satu udah kamu jalanin, satu akan kamu jalanin.
Yeah.
Itu sesuatu yang luar biasa.
Yeah.
It's turning point for your
Yeah.
career. Hopefully semuanya lancar.
Amin.
Hopefully semuanya berjalan bagus dan I want you to come back.
Of
Something
co- of
big,
course.
ya kan?
I always come back.
Ya kan?
I always
Harus.
come back. You know, I never forget my roots. Makanya kita selalu, you know,
Ya.
even till like 11 years, we're still like technically friends. You know, so even after this, you know, I'm gonna have a lot of stories for you.
Yes,
I'm
pastinya.
like, oh my god, Mas, you have no idea.
Pasti. Nah, kalau kamu nggak jadi aktor, jadi apa sih? What you see yourself as?
A chef.
Oke.
Yeah, my
Wow.
dad's a chef.
Oh ya, kamu
so-
bisa masak ya?
Yeah.
Kamu jago masak.
Yeah.
Aku tuh another lagi bisa acting, bisa nyanyi. Sekarang bisa masak. Tapi saya nggak punya pacar. Bingung aku. Itu pada perempuan kemana semua sih? Segini
don't
good
know.
lookingnya, semuanya bisa. Come on guys,
know.
fill your
Yeah,
applications.
for their defense, kalau cooking aku benar sometimes I'm so lazy. I can cook, but I am lazy. Yeah.
Tapi kan
So-
bisa.
Yeah, I
Saya
can,
nggak bisa.
yeah.
Saya cuma bisa makan. Saya cuma bisa makan.
I would have been a chef. Yeah, chef. It's a chef. Cooking is an art as
Yeah,
well,
yeah.
and it's something. Okay, everything that I do is technically because women would love it.
Iya kan?
Kenapa aku
Bener
main piano?
kan?
Because
Yeah.
women would love it. Cooking as well. Like
Yes.
women loves it if we can cook. You know.
Pasti.
The origin was that, tapi lama kelamaan, you know, it becomes a passion and then it becomes a necessity. Gitu.
Good. Oke, sedikit closing dari Maxim. Apa sih
Ya.
kira-kira buat yang dengerin kita gitu sedikit, bukan nasihat sih, lebih ke mungkin sharing about
Okay.
yourself or how you want to be here gitu kan. What should you do gitu.
Kalau menurut aku, there's a lot of things sih. So even if you're lucky and you get the job, you know, because I was lucky.
Ya,
I never thought of just okay, that's it. You know, I have to make it better because I need to prove to myself kayak I have to earn this. You know, I cannot just get it out of nowhere.
ya.
I have to work for it because my whole family always works for something, you know, in life. Jadi kalau misalnya I'm lucky, then okay, if I'm lucky to get this, then I'm gonna make it so much more better that it seems that I wasn't just lucky, you know, that I earned it. So itu sih pesan aku, kayak don't ever take it for granted gitu. Kayak, you know,
setuju.
always work harder. Even if you get it, always reach for like 150%, you know, because that will, you know, make yourself look better. First of
Yeah,
all, it
pasti.
shows your quality and it shows that you really care dengan
Yeah.
project apapun atau dengan
Yang penting
dream yang
pakai
kita mau
hati
lakukan.
ya. Semua yang
Yeah.
kita kerjakan pakai hati
Yeah.
pastinya.
Yeah.
Oke, thank you for today.
Thank you.
Jangan lupa subscribe, comment, share, and like. Hari ini Hello Story bersama a good person pastinya, Maxim. Thank you so